Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. So, in the previous video ay pinag-aralan natin yung chain rule, no? Combined with the power rule, no? Sabi natin, if you have a function raised to a power, no? Ginagawa natin is binababa natin yung power na yon, no? Kaya siya naging n. And then, we write the function. We multiply it by the function raised to a power less than 1, no? Or 1 less than n. And then, we get the derivative of the function. So, gagamitin natin yung formula na yan para kunin yung derivative ng x cubed plus 2x. No? So, find f prime of x. Ibig sabihin na f prime of x, alam niyo naman yan, find the derivative. No? So, f prime of x, no? F prime of x is equal to, ibababa natin yung n, di ba? Ang ating function ay f of x. Tapos ang n natin ay 4. No? Which means that ibababa natin tong n, no? Katulad ng ginawa dito. Ibababa natin yung 4. And then we write the function. And then raise to a power less than n. 1 less than n. And then, wag kalimutan yung derivative, no? The derivative of the function, which is x cubed plus 2x. So, karaniwan yan yung mga nakakalimutan, no? Pagdating dito, akala yun na yun. So, don't forget that. 4 times x cubed plus 2x cubed times 3x squared. Yung derivative ng x cubed ay 3x squared. Tapos, ang derivative ng 2x ay 2. Okay? Okay, so pwede natin i-simplify itong 4 times 3x squared plus 2, no? And then, we write x cubed plus 2x. Quantity cubed. So this equals 12x squared plus 8 times x cubed plus 2x cubed. So by distributive property, this is our f prime of x, no? Okay, so next example. Example number 4, we have f of t. F of t. So hindi lang x, minsan kahit anong variable pwede mo naman gamitin, no? So pero may mga karaniwan lang. F of t is equal to 2t cubed. Gumagamit na tayo ng f of t equals 2t cubed plus 4t squared minus 5t raised to the 10th power. So, ano ang f prime of t? So, this is equal to 10 times this function, 2t cubed plus 4t squared minus 5t raised to the 9th. Hindi pa tayo tapos. And then we get the derivative of this, no? So, we have ddx. No, not ddx but ddt. Pag t na yung variable mo, t na yung sa baba, no? Kung ano gamit mong variable dito, dapat yun yung gamit mo dito. Sa baba, pag z to, 2z cubed plus 4z squared minus 5z, ddz ka. So, ddt ng 2t cubed plus 4t squared minus 5t. This is equal to 10 times 2t cubed plus 4t squared. Kinokopya ko lang to, yun na sa taas. 5t raised to the 9th times 6t plus 4t squared minus 5. Sorry. 6t squared. 6t squared yung derivative ng 2t cubed. Then plus, ano ang 4t squared? 8t. And then minus 5. And then if we Pwede natin i-simplify ito, i-multiply natin ito dito, di ba? Para dalawang expression na lang. So, magiging 60t squared. 10 times 6 is 60, di ba? Plus 80t minus 50. No? So, bali minultiply ko na ito dito sa expression na to. Kaya siya naging ganito. 60t squared plus 80t minus 50 times, ito yung expression na yan. We have 2t cubed plus 4t squared minus 5t to the ninth. May mga, so of course, pag mga ganito computations, meron tayong mga, minsan hindi natin kailangan i-simplify, no? Dahil masyado siyang mahaba. For example, itong exponent na to, to the ninth. Tapos tatlong terms pa. So, ano yan, buwis-buhay yan pag sinolve nyo. So, kung may masisimplify kayo, no, in general, kung mayroon kayo masisimplify na madali lang naman, pwede nyo i-simplify, no? And of course, you have to ask your professor, no, or your teacher kung ano ang rule, no, sa klase. Minsan, pinag-aagrihan lang yan, no, sa klase. Pero, for example, mga ganito, napaka-unreasonable naman kung ipapa-expand pa natin yan, no? Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa video. I'll see you in the next video. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, no, at mag-like sa ating mga videos. Pwede kayo magpunta sa ating Facebook page and of course sa ating website, zipline.com. Yung URL ng ating channel, youtube.com/user/ziplinePH. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.